In this tutorial, we'll have a look at how you can create photorealistic visualizations using AutoCAD Architecture and the Autodesk 360 rendering service. As you can see, I already have a 3D view set up. And to see the scene a bit better, I'm simply going to type shade on the command line. Now you're ready to create a rendering. And to do this, go to the Render tab and select Render in the Cloud. Now here you have the option of generating renderings of every 3D view in your model, but for this exercise I'm going to simply work with my current view. You also have the option of being notified once the rendering is complete. Now once the rendering process has begun, rendering is actually done in the background, and this is especially helpful when you need to do additional tasks within the model itself. And once the rendering is complete, you would get a notification that will take you to the rendering gallery. Here in the rendering gallery, you can do post-production work on the rendering itself, such as adjusting exposure, highlights, midtones, and even saturation. Finally, you can even convert a still image into a panoramic view by selecting the image and choosing Render as Panorama. Once the process is complete, you can interactively move the camera within a select region of the image itself.